Good evening, devoted members and friends. We're going to get started in just a couple of minutes. Welcome. Hello and welcome, devoted health members and guests. We're going to get started in just a couple of minutes, but welcome. Okay, hello and welcome, devoted health members and guests. I'm Marianne from the Member Experience team. Tonight marks our final Music and More session for the spring, but keep your eyes peeled for future fun events. To all our members and extended devoted health family who have joined us over the past few months, thank you so much for coming to see these events to learn about your plan benefits and enjoy music together. Whether you're a new devoted health plan member or a returning member here to brush up on your plan updates or enjoy some fun jazz from Latin America and the Caribbean, we're so happy that you joined us tonight and hope that you take advantage of all your plan benefits in 2021. We have had to make a change since we emailed you earlier this week. Today's presentation will go like this. We're going to kick Friday night off with 45 minutes of jazz from Jose Amador and TERRA. And then we're going to move into our educational Q&A, which will take about 25 to 30 minutes. You'll be muted throughout the presentation, but you're welcome to use the chat box to say hello and ask questions when we talk about our plan benefits. Please just remember that the chat boxes are not secure, so don't include any of your personal information. If you have a more complicated question or concern, you're always welcome to call our guides over a secure phone line and get help privately. As you know, we're bringing this show to you virtually to help stop the spread of coronavirus, which means that we are relying on technology. Sometimes technology can act up, so please bear with me if there are any internet issues. And remember, we are recording this session and we'll put it up on devoted.com/member events with closed captioning by next week. If you can't watch all of the presentation tonight or want to watch it again, you'll be able to do so. I hope you're excited to enjoy some music and learn something new about your devoted health plan. But let's get grooving and please welcome Jose Amador and TERRA. Hit it. Jose, I think we just need you to come unmute. Jose. Hey, Jose. We need you to come unmute because we can't hear you. We just need you to unmute because we that didn't work. We just
you guys
perfect. Okay. Perfect. You're good.
Ready?
Yep.
Start over?
Yes.
Here we go. Okay. Okay, Marianne, we're ready. Here we go. Hey, first of all, I want to thank everyone for joining us this evening. Welcome from San Antonio, Texas. I'm Jose Amador, and this is TERRA. And I want to thank Marianne Brody. Thanks, Marianne. Kirsten Kipp, Will Can, and Leilani Webb, who do all the heavy lifting in the backstage to put these events together. Thanks to Devoted Health for sponsoring this great music series they've been doing all winter. I just want to say that the TERRA band members and myself have all been tested and vaccinated. So we, as a health plan, we want to make sure that you guys stay safe, follow CDC guidelines. We want to have you around for a long, long time. So we're going to start this first song. We're going to have a great evening of Latin jazz. And we want to start this first song from San Juan, Puerto Rico, from Humberto Ramirez, El Príncipe. this song that has become an icon, a classic jazz tune recorded over 350 artists. Duke Ellington and Puerto Rican trombonist Juan Tizol composed this great tune from 1939 and is known as Caravan. next tune is a very nice tune. It's a very jazzy tune. It was written in 1960 by Bobby Tompkins and recorded actually in January of 1960. And 2 months later, in March of 1960, Art Blakey and the Jazz Messengers recorded it again. The name of the tune is That There. This next tune comes from Detroit, Michigan. Nika's Dream by the great Horace Silver, great pianist, saxophonist, and incredible composer. We all pay our honor to the great late Horace Silver. Here we go. That's Dika's Dream from Horace Silver. This next tune is quite a classic. Herbie Hancock composed this tune in the 1960s. So here we go. Watermelon Man. This next tune is a great tune by Frank Foster, made famous by the Count Basie Orchestra. Shiny Stockings, here we go, featuring our drummer, timbalero, Mr. Gabriel Garcia. Here we go. That's January stockings. We got one more song left in this set. And before we go on, I'd like to introduce the members of the band. On bass, from Anchorage, Alaska, our musical director, Mr. Daniel Wyman. On piano, from San Antonio, Texas, Mr. Chris Villanueva. On timbales, you just heard him, from the Bronx, New York City, New York, Mr. Gabriel Garcia. On percussion, from Mayagüez, Puerto Rico, Mr. Juan Padilla. On sax, from Laredo, Texas, Mr. Jerry Espinosa. On trumpet, from Brownsville, Texas, Mr. Mariano Escobedo. This last tune is called Fort Apache. This is from Oscar Hernandez from New York City. Here we go. Last song coming up. Thank you very much. I'm Amador. This is TERRA. Thanks, Devoted Health. Thanks for all of you who are out there. Stay safe. Back to you, Mary Ann or Will. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening.
Great. Thank you, Jose, and thank you, Terra Nova. That was excellent. Thank you for bringing us some wonderful music on this Friday night. One of the reasons we bring musicians in to do this is because at Devoted, we believe that a healthy spirit is just as important as a healthy body. So thank you for lifting our spirits. One of our members wrote into us in the chat that music connects the world together, and I couldn't agree more. But now let's switch gears and hear from our panelists. So today we're joined by Jose, our sales manager in South Florida, Teresa, our sales agent in Texas, and Maria, one of our member service guide supervisors in Maine. And we'll start today with Jose and Teresa. They're going to go over some of the great benefits that you can take advantage of in 2021.
Hello, everyone. Hope everyone is having a great day and is off to a great spring. I'm very happy to be here tonight and tell you more about your Devoted Health Plan benefits. So let's start with the one that keeps you moving and grooving through life, a personal emergency response device, or as we affectionately call it, the PERS device. With one of these devices, you can get emergency help with the press of a button. The device and the monthly monitoring, that's the service that responds to your alerts, are both covered at no cost to you on your plan. And certain devices, you can get fall detection, which automatically sends an alert in case you fell. You can choose from the device that works just at home or ones that you can take out with you. Plus, you get to choose your style. You can wear some devices around your neck and others you can keep in your pocket. To get a device, you can call Devoted Health or LifeStation, the company we work with for our PERS device. And you see the number there, it's 888-601-3888. So peace of mind with a PERS device is invaluable. After all, you're not always near your home phone and your cell's not always charged. With a PERS device, help is always just a push of a button away. Another benefit I'd like to go over is our over-the-counter credit, or OTC. You get this each month or quarter, it depends on your plan, to spend on OTC items which you're probably already buying. You can get vitamins, toothpaste, pain relievers, digital weight scales, and more. Our OTC catalog shows all items available for purchase. If you don't have a catalog, you can go to devoted.com/OTC. You'll enter your zip code and your plan name and have access to all your plan documents, including your OTC catalog. You can use your monthly or quarterly credit with several small purchases or use it all at one time. Either way, be sure to use your full credit for that period. It won't roll over to the next month or quarter. You can buy online, by phone, or at a participating CVS. But right now, online is the easiest. It's safer than in-store, and you'll avoid long hold times, which are longer now because of COVID. You also might find that some items are out of stock due to the pandemic. But our friends at CVS are working hard to replenish the stock and get products to members like yourself as quickly as possible.
Thanks, Jose. We all know how expensive a trip to the drugstore can get, even just for regular items. So you might as well make sure you're using your entire OTC credit. We've put the phone number for the PERS device and the link to check out your OTC option in the chat boxes. So look there if you need to refer back for the details.
Yes, and since we all like saving money, let's talk about wellness bucks. Most of our plans here at Devoted give you $150 in wellness bucks to pay for qualifying health and wellness items or services. Now you're probably thinking, what can I get with wellness bucks? Well, you can get fitness tracker like an Apple Watch or a Fitbit. You can use it on classes like yoga, Zumba. You can even do them online, or apps like Calm and Headspace. Well, wellness bucks also cover weight management programs like Weight Watchers and exercise equipment like stationary bikes, yoga mat, or free weights. Wellness bucks are a great option no matter what your fitness goal is this year. And it's easy to use the wellness bucks. You pay out of pocket for qualifying items and services and then send us a reimbursement form. That's it. You can get this form on devoted.com/paymeback. This is a benefit is really perfect if you've made any health or fitness resolutions this year. To learn more about many wellness buck plans gives you, check your summary of benefits. You can find yours at devoted.com/plan documents. And if you have any questions about wellness bucks, please reach out to a guide. They'll be happy to walk you through it. So now I'll turn you over to my colleague, Teresa. Hi, Teresa.
Thank you, Jose, and good evening to Devoted Health members and friends. Let's talk about how you can get the rewards waiting for you this year. Let's take a look at our Devoted Dollars reward program. Here you can see our reward program where you earn Devoted Health Plans Visa prepaid cards for getting certain types of care. You'll earn $10 when you see your PCP within 90 days of your plan start date, $25 for getting an annual wellness exam, $20 when you get a flu shot in the fall, $25 for a colon cancer screening if you're due for one, $25 for breast cancer screening if you're due for one, and members with diabetes can earn $25 if you get a blood sugar test, eye exam, and kidney exam all within the plan year. It's so easy to get the rewards you earn. There are no forms or paperwork to fill out. Once we see that you've gotten the care that qualifies, we'll send your reward. It's that simple. To learn more, go to devoteddollars.com. And remember, we're recording this presentation so you can always come back and review this information if you'd like. Jose, Amador, and TERRA know sure did put me in a dancing mood because, as you all know, moving is so important. So in addition to enjoying some music from time to time, let's talk about the ways your devoted health plan supports your exercise goals. All of our plans include silver sneakers, giving you a free gym membership and free online fitness classes. Until it's totally safe to return to the gym, you can take advantage of Silver Sneakers' live online fitness classes and pre-recorded videos. They can even send you a gym box with equipment to make the most of your space at home. To get started, text sneakers to 86685 or call a guide to get your member ID for Silver Sneakers.
That's great. Thank you, Teresa. Now let's hear from Maria, one of our wonderful member service guide supervisors. Hello, Maria. Thank you for being with us tonight.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for having me. This was such a fun treat. I'm here to welcome you into March, welcome you with our celebration tonight, as we continue to try to stop the spread of COVID-19 by taking precautions like hand washing and wearing a mask and getting vaccinated as quickly as possible. Let's talk about some other areas in which we can help you stay safe. We designed your devoted health plan to support you as a whole person. We want you to use your mental health benefits, acupuncture and dental care benefits, as well as all the benefits available to you. Dental care is where I see a lot of questions as a guide supervisor. It can get easily confusing. So let's go over how your dental benefits work together. Most of our plans cover routine dental care. You can find out exactly what your plan covers in your dental guide, which you can find by going to devoted.com/dental. Here are a few tips to make the most of your coverage. First, take the dental guide with you to your appointment. Your dental coverage is provided through Liberty Dental if you are in Florida, and DentaQuest if you are other devoted health plan members. The first page of the guide tells you which one your plan uses. That will help the dentist make sure that they get the billing right. The dental guide also tells you the services that your plan covers, which can help your dentist give you a good cost estimate for your care. And that reminds me, always ask for an estimate before you have dental work done. That will help avoid any surprise bills. Most of our plans also include a benefit to help with rides to your primary care doctor and other healthcare appointments, like the dentist. In addition to using rides for checkups, scheduled surgeries, therapy visits, you can also get a ride for a COVID vaccine site and to VA appointments if you are a veteran. Remember, these rides are not for emergencies. If you do have any emergency that requires immediate medical attention, please call 911. And be sure to check your summary of benefits to see how many rides your plan includes and what kinds of care you can use them for. To schedule a ride, give the guide team a call at 1-800-DEVOTED or 1-800-338-6833. Let us know where you're going, what time you need to be there, if you have a wheelchair or need a stretcher. These rides need up to 48 hours notice. And if anyone's coming with you, you can have a friend accompany you or a caregiver. Once we have all that information, we'll give you a pickup time window. So let's say your pickup is at 3 p.m. Your driver may arrive 15 minutes before or after that time, so your window is generally 30 minutes. You should be ready to go at about 2:45, just in case. If it gets closer to 3:15 and the driver hasn't shown up, give the guide team a call right away and we'll call over to get a status update for you. And then when you're ready to go home and your appointment's done, give the guide team a call back and we'll get a ride right over to you. Your driver will wear a mask, and you'll need to wear a mask too for safety, unless a medical condition prevents you from doing so otherwise. Also, be sure to check that you have your belongings with you when you leave the car, any purses, bags, phones, wallets. And remember, it's very important to see in-network providers. Otherwise, you can end up paying the full cost for the care that you receive. To find in-network providers, you can go to devoted.com/search providers. When you find the right provider for you, make sure you bring your Devoted ID card so that they can update your insurance if needed. And as always, all the guides at Devoted Health are here to help you. If you ever need assistance making appointments or with anything else, rides to appointments, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-338-6833. Take a moment to save this phone number in your phone, 1-800-DEVOTED as well, or write it down on a notepad. Take care and be safe. And thank you for joining us tonight.
Thank you so much, Maria. I'm glad that we had some time to go over some of the questions that we see every day here at Devoted Health. And now it looks like we've got a few questions from you all. Let me pull some of them up. The first one, Maria, will come to you. Is there a provision for meals under the policy? Do we offer a meal benefit on our Devoted Health plans?
We do offer a meal benefit for most of our Devoted Health plans, and we'd be happy to answer your questions regarding how many meals, what kind of meals, when, how to get that to you by calling the guide team. We can look up your plan benefit and look up which one applies to you. It's pretty neat because we can tailor some of the meals that are included in plans according to your dietary needs, stuff you like, stuff you don't like.
Great. And we had another one. What do I do if I lose my ID card?
That's a good question. Your ID card's a little bit like your license. That's your identity right there. You can give us a call at the guide team. We can quickly reissue that and have a card sent to your house. We can also text message your ID card to you, send it via secure email if you need it now, or provide any of the information on the card to you over the phone as well. So we have a bunch of different options.
Okay, and Maria, we'll just stay with you. What about another question about rides? Do rides cover an extra person if you need to bring a person with you?
They do. It's one of the things I really like. If you have a caregiver, a friend, a family member, somebody you need for support, you are covered to have up to one additional person accompany you. That's to the facility and on the way home if you have a round trip. You just have to let us know so that we can schedule that in there, but we're more than happy to provide that support.
Great, that's so nice. I didn't know that. Okay, I think this is probably the last one. It's about the coronavirus vaccine. How much does the coronavirus vaccine cost?
That's a really good question to ask and a hot question as of late. That vaccine is covered. It's a little bit different. It'll be billed to Medicare. We will cover rides to get that done. Give us a call. We can look up facilities that are doing that if you need that information as well. And we're here to help you every step of the way get vaccinated and stay safe.
Great. Yeah, and a reminder too, I think we've heard from folks that it's important to bring your government Medicare ID card to your vaccine appointment too, right? I think people have been asking for it.
Yes, absolutely. That is a good tip that I forgot.
Great. Okay, I think that wraps us Here's a good one, actually. One last one. It's about our grocery delivery benefit. How do I get reimbursed for Publix grocery delivery?
That is a really good one. That's one of our brand new benefits as of this year, and a super exciting one. Another way that we tried to brainstorm on how to keep you safe. You can go to our website. There are reimbursement forms that you can download and print off. They have directions on what to fill out. They're very short and easy to fill out. It shows you how to get it back to us on there. You can also call our guide team and we can send you those as well. We can send you a printed off copy with a return envelope. If you don't have a printer available, we can also secure email that form as well.
Great. Yeah, and that's at devoted.com pay me back as well, which we talked about with Wellness Bucks. Great. And if you have questions that are specific to your plan or your care, or if we didn't answer your question tonight, please text us at 86685 or give us a call. Our guide team is here every day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And of course, we have plenty of information on our website. One last thank you to the fabulous ensemble of Jose, Amador, and Terra Nova, our wonderful team members, Jose, Teresa, and Maria, and each of you who joined us tonight. On behalf of everyone here at Devoted Health, welcome to your plan. Stay safe, happy Friday, and talk to you soon. Have a good night.